Today, I also wish to express my gratitude to those who have helped you to reach this moment. To your parents and guardians, thank you for your love, patience, and sacrifice.
The Rizal Technological University Laboratory School Academic School Year 2024-2025 open.
And to my fellow dreamers, just keep going. The world may not always believe in you at first, but your time will come, just like mine did.
Let this be a reminder that learning does not end here. There will be more lessons to embrace, more decisions to make, and more responsibilities to take on.
Congratulations, Batch 2025!
We are proud of you and we are cheering you on as you take next step towards a bright future. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang Laboratory School at mabuhay ang Pandayang Rizal.
All I want you to do is do your best, and whatever success that you will be having in the future, it's the least that we can do to go back to where our roots are planted. And that is our beloved alma mater, RTU.
Congratulations, 2025!
Congratulations, Batch 2025!
Congratulations!
Naway ang mga hamon na inyong kakaharapin, ang mga tagumpay na inyong makakamit, mga aral na inyong matutunan ay gawin ninyong mas mayaman sa pamamagitan ng paglapat sa diwa ng pagkakaisa.